G'day all, here we have a bit of a special engine. This one is a special edition from Jensen. It's called the Jensen 20G. It's a big power plant. Now this one's serial number is 00197 and it was made on December the 10th, 1997. I bought this from a friend of mine, Gil, which a lot of people will know, in Connecticut in the USA. And it's got some special things from Jensen. It's got an engraved cylinder end cap there with a J for Jensen on it. It's got a stack for the exhaust and a collection tray. It's got a drip tray here, and the cylinder has been cut away, and I've added a few other little things for it. So what we'll do, we'll flick it on. It's an electric boiler. It won't take long to come up to steam, and we'll run this beautiful engine. It's running through a juice reducer, and at the moment, just looking down, it's on 50 volts going through. So get it to run nice and slow. Just turn that switch off. So there we have it, a Jensen 20G, big power plant. Next year this will be 30 years old. And it was made on December the 10th, 1997. And it's just a beautiful Jensen 20G to run. So I hope you all enjoyed that. And as always, thanks for watching, and bye for now.